Today I have a very, did I say very cool lock for you guys. It's my nemesis lock. This one, it's ASSA 700, and I have this specific one for probably more than 6-7 years now. And I'm trying to pick this one on and off for, I don't know, probably multiple years now. And I think today is the day to pick this one. This is a 7-pin lock. I did messed up. I will show you why. There are drill protections that I needed to drill, and there is like grub screw there, M4 4mm. It's a 7-pin lock with a counter milling on, I don't know how many 4 plus chambers. I don't remember which one. There are 2 gin pins and 2 Christmas tree alike. Very tricky to pick, and all of them are in the counter milling chambers, and there are 3 standards with a lot of torpedo like key pins, and on top of this was so tricky to pick because of this key beading. So can you imagine, like, since 6-pin lock, first couple like gatekeeper, then 4, 5 and 6 very deep one, and 7 it's a standard one, but the 6th one is the 3 Christmas tree like pin with the chamber is that is counter milled. I will show you when I hopefully when I pick it. It's a very beautiful key. Some numbers here, and I think is there the same on the other side. Yes, they are the same on that side. I don't know what that means. Probably it's not the beading, but it's work very nice. It's a Scandinavian oval style. Usually it's like this, but because I'm picking it, I will pick it like this. And the thing that I wanted to show you, it's like, this is a very crazy beading, but it's crazy, and on the other hand, I got lucky sometimes, because when I try to pick, I think 4, like you can imagine, I'm setting up 4 or 5. When I try to pick some of them, I have like, I'm setting like somehow, probably because of my profile, the first diamond, I'm setting some of the pins, and for some of them I will need to use my deep hook, I think for pin 4, but for pin 6 I think I can use the first diamond. And for picking this one, you always need to have like a 2 tangent tools, because you need to do that counter rotation and then free floating. That is very hard to do. So give me a chance to rearrange things and put it in the vise, and let's start picking. The lock is in the vise. It's working nicely. Here's that crazy beating in the key. Yeah. I will use, as I said, these 2 tangent tools, like this and like this, and I will go clockwise and then counter rotation, manual counter rotation, counterclockwise. Let me focus there, and I will start with the first diamond. The first thing that I want to do is to get that very deep fall set. That's the first goal, and usually I need to pick first the standard pins on chamber number 7, 5 and 3, I think. We'll see how it goes. And the springs are so heavy springs. Sometimes I'm like, I don't know, it always feels very hard for doing that. Let's start again, and I'm usually trying not to put heavy torque and pressure on the pick. I don't want to break my pick, but this lock, sometimes you need to force all the pins, and that's very annoying, but that's the only way how hopefully I will be able to pick this one, forcing some of the pins and hopefully not breaking the pick. 3, 4, still struggling with getting that deep fall set. I think I need to remove a bit of tension. Yeah, that sometimes can be click from 7. What about 5 now? 5 small click. I'm trying to figure out what it's not set properly. At least why I cannot get in that full set. Even that, like that, it's struggling now. So 7, 6, 5. Let's see if I have not set 5 properly. No, something is not right. 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I overset something? That can be annoying because of the key pins that are torpedo-like. It's better not to overset things. If you overset things, then you need to go back and then just restart, because you will never get out of that. Counter milling plus torpedo-like overset, no getting out. Still cannot get in that. Oh, hopefully I will get a bit lucky at the end. That was 5. Did I overset 7 for some reason? I don't remember if 7 was torpedo-like or not. But I would rather reset everything and start again. Let's see, 7 first. Small click from 7. And the standard ones are also tapered, small taper, and that can be annoying because you think sometimes you're set. Another click from 7, so probably I dropped 7 previously. This was 4 for some reason, stuck. Now that was 5, but still not deep fall set. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, 5. I think better click from 5. Now maybe 7. No. 6. No. 5. No. Wow. Usually I get in that deep fall set relatively, not with this, but relatively easy, like this. But it is what it is. At least we're in that deep fall set. And I think now 2 it's not set. Counter rotation. And I think 2 it's 3 Christmas tree like pin. That was free floating one. Yes, now so 1, 2 fill set, 3 fill set, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not set, 5 it's set, now it's 6. And 6 it's a 3 Christmas tree, and I'll try to force it. Come on. I think we're set. I definitely dropped something. I know what it was. Okay, it was 2, but not fully. That's good. And now 1, 2, 3 fill set. And 6, 5, and 7 are set because 3, 5, and 7 they're standard ones. And we're in deep full set. That means I got only 4. Hopefully means I got only 4. 3, 4, and for 4 I'll try to force it as much as I can. This is the only way I can. Yeah, 4 it's come on, yes! Yes! Finally, we are open. My nemesis. Wow! After so many years, done out of my nutty bucket. That's fantastic. So crazy, feels so tricky to pick, so unbelievably complicated lock. Let me focus there. Let me grab my pinning tray and let's do this properly. I have that. I need to remove wait, how it was? I need to remove first this. No, I can rotate it and then remove this cam part, whatever it's called, and then let's remove the C-clip. That's done, and then we need a key. Put the key in, control rotating that much, shim, definitely shim, because this is not proper. And let's get this over with. So oops, 1, 2 torpedo. What did I? Okay, so the last one I dropped, I think all of them were torpedo, right? No, these are the drill protection. This is why I got stuck on this drill protection. That's why I needed to drill out the first chamber here. Yeah, but this with this, things happen. Torpedo, torpedo. So yeah. Come on, now it's going to be back and forth with. So you can see counter milling, counter milling, counter milling, and counter milling on both sides. Come on, focus. So you can see the counter milling on 1, 2, 4, and 6. 1, 2, 4, and 6. Okay, we are there. So as I said, we have torpedo-like key pins. The torpedo is not on 3 and 5. Okay, 3 and 5 they are like standard one, that's fine. But on the 7th one, even standard, we have the torpedo. So now I want to just grab them how they are, so you can see them. This is the first one is gin bottle like pin. The second one is a Christmas tree. The third one is standard tapered. The fifth one is gin. No, the fourth one is gin bottle. That was the last one that was very complicated to set. The fifth one is standard, and the sixth one is the Christmas tree like, and the 7 it's a standard. Come on, all the springs are the same. Come on, lot of them, and they're all very, very heavy springs. At least feels like they're very heavy. And here's the body. So nothing done on the body. I don't know how much you can see inside, but yeah, let me show you a bit of a close up to see all the pins. Come on, stay. So as I said, we have on one gin bottle, and on the 4, on 2, and on the 6th we have a Christmas tree. And then if you see, like as I said, 1, 2, 4 and 6, 1, 2, 4 and 6, they're all matching the counter milling on the core. So yeah, this was a fantastic ASSA 700 picked, and finally picked and got it. So guys, it's a cool lock, it's a very cool one. I really like it, out of my nutty bucket. So if you have chance to pick one, try to pick it. Progression pinning probably. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.